Have you ever wondered why billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk enjoy financial freedom and you're struggling financially? Most people think that these billionaires were lucky or they were probably born into wealth. What if I told you that you are totally wrong and there is a way that these billionaires built wealth from nothing and attained financial freedom? Will you be able to stay committed to it and build your own wealth from nothing? If your answer is yes, then stay with me as I take you through this journey. But then I must warn you, the journey is full of many difficulties and only the dedicated people can make it to the end.
If you love something, if you have a strong passion for something, you would go to the extreme to try to understand or try to get it.
Speaking from experience, it takes a lot of courage and commitment to get there. The first part of this journey to financial freedom is how to make money, and it is apparently the most easiest part of this journey. And if you have already found your way out of poverty and making a lot of money already but finds it difficult to attain financial freedom, then stay with me as I show you how billionaires out there are doing it. But if you haven't found your way out of poverty yet, don't worry, as I've got so many videos and resources on my channel on how to build wealth from nothing. Are you still with me? Then let's dive in straight without wasting more time. The truth is, 85% of billionaires out there were self-made billionaires. Jeff Bezos, self-made. Elon Musk, self-made. Mark Zuckerberg, self-made. But the big question is, how were they able to do it? Many people out there already find a way on how to make money but find it very difficult to cross to the path of financial freedom because of this particular secret that helped the billionaires to stay on top of their games and maintain financial freedom. If you learn this secret today and you're able to stay committed to it, you're going to attain financial freedom in a very short time. And the big secret is that the billionaires and the financially free guys learned how to say no. They learned how to say no to making other people rich and staying poor. It is very difficult to say no to yourself. It takes a lot of discipline and self-control to do this. And when you learn how to say no to yourself, it becomes easy to say no to other people's influence on you. And this is how the rich and the financially free people do it. Oh, I want to eat at the fancy restaurant today. No, I can't afford it. I should probably eat at home. Wow, I love this car. I should buy it immediately. No, it's too expensive for now. Oh, this furniture will beautify my living room. No, not now. What if I don't find these designers next time? I should probably buy them now. No, there will always be better designers. The truth is, billionaires do not buy anything they cannot afford to buy 5 times. It means that it is way too expensive for them. Now you're probably wondering why these guys own the most expensive cars and houses all over the world. This is simply because they have built their way out of poverty and attained financial freedom, and they can afford to buy whatever it is they want to buy 5 times and it won't shake their account. Now this is where the financial freedom journey begins. Once you can control how you spend money unnecessarily, you save more money for better things. This extra money you saved can be put into work to make more money for you. This can be achieved by investing more money into your business if you already have one, and if you don't have a business already, you can invest in buying more stocks, buying real estate, or buying more cryptocurrencies for yourself. This is how to build wealth from nothing and achieve financial freedom without going back to poverty again. Congratulations for watching till the end of this video, but hold on, before you swipe to the next video. This video actually took a lot of time to create. Took a lot of time to come up with the idea, to write the script and to shoot the video and then edit it before posting here for you to watch. So if you've learned anything from this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because it motivates me to create more of this kind of videos on this channel.